Ford has declared a state of emergency for Ontario due to the novel coronavirus outbreak.
With more free time on our hands these days, it seems that everyone has taken the opportunity to pick up a new hobby or learn a new skill. So what have I learned during the pandemic? To be honest, I have spent a lot of my time binge watching YouTube videos. I like watching tutorials to learn about video editing, playing new songs on my keyboard, trying out new recipes, catching up on various health topics, and recently, I'm hooked on TikTok. Oh, and I must not forget about all the senTV productions. By the end of the day, my whole body is telling me that I've been spending too much time in front of the computer. I knew I needed to do something physical to balance out my sedentary lifestyle during this pandemic. So I started looking for exercise videos online. I used to be quite active in my adulthood until I was injured playing tennis. Then with the busy work schedule and looking after my family, I was always coming up with excuses not to exercise. I knew it was not good for me and that it had to change. Like a lot of people, I started exercising at home partly as a way to kill all that extra time as a result of the lockdown. I think I've gained a few pounds during this time.
Here we go.
Fat burning workout
like
for
a little
beginners
arm movement.
sounds
Remember, the
good,
lower you
but the
go,
pace was just
the
too
tougher it
fast
is.
for me.
But if you feel
On
it
a
swing,
scale of 1 to 10, 10 being very active, I rate myself a 2 or a 3 at the most. Having been inactive for so many years, I find it hard to keep up with the exercises. After trying it out for a few more days, I still wasn't getting it, so I started to lose interest. I needed something more stimulating and exciting. What do other filmmakers do to keep fit? Tai Chi, Chinese health dance, shape and tone, line dance. Line dance no good. I sprained my ankle once while line dancing. More Tai Chi, extensive body fit. What is that? Ah, Zumba. Bingo!
When the night has come and the land is dark,
Zumba was definitely more exciting, but the tempo was still too fast for me. Luckily, I was able to find Zumba for seniors. See, the instructor is probably 10 years my senior, but she could dance much faster than me. In order to keep up with the video, I have to slow it down to 3/4 of the normal speed. Now I think I've found my comfort zone. I want to continue to exercise my body so that I will be able to go hiking with my friends without having to ask them to slow down and wait for me. I set a goal for myself to do Zumba 45 minutes a day and cool down with some stretches 4 to 5 times a week. Here's a clip of me doing Zumba. Did you really think I was gonna let you watch me dance? No. I'm really glad I discovered a new skill during this time, and I hope that I can maintain my goal to exercise on a regular basis. What have you learned during this pandemic? Please let me know in the comments below if you have any favorite Zumba tutorials. Thanks for watching.